everyone, I have a big box of goodies here to share with you from Tom King from Guy Gone Keto. So he's incredible. Somebody I really look up to as an entrepreneur and also in the health world. I've been doing keto for almost 2 years now, and it's just been a lifestyle for me. And you know how when you start something and like you're seeing results and you get really excited, and that's how I was initially in wanting to share everything every day. And I'm still super excited about it and fit it into my lifestyle every day, but it's kind of just that. Like, it's not new anymore. It's something very sustainable, and it's just something that I've been doing, but I feel like I cook the same things all the time, and you gotta avoid so much because of the carbs and the sugar and all that. So I was talking with my beautiful cousin Sarah, and her boyfriend Tom is actually the owner of Guy Gone Keto, and she was telling me about like his lifestyle and how life-changing this all was for him, and he created all of his own products. So they sent me a box of goodies, and this is literally the first time that I'm seeing any of this, and I'm going to share it with you all in case you're interested too. And then I actually have some chicken in the oven now that I'm going to try some of the condiments and everything on, but I'm just super excited to unbox this and share it with you. And see, look how cute like all the packaging and all this stuff was. So I said, I'm gonna wait until I can do the video and share it with you all so you can see everything with me for the first time. So a little card in here, and then all the cute packaging. So we have, kids are gonna have a field day with this, by the way. And, oh cool, so it looks like we have Guy Gone Keto book. So yes, he is an author. He has his own book and everything, which is really awesome. And from what I was reading on the website and everything, he goes over just all his struggles and challenges and everything and how he overcame them. And then Guy Gone Keto was born, and he's doing great. And I've heard nothing but good reviews and stuff. Oh, cool. So we have some little stickers. Oh, this is awesome. A fitness journal. That'll be helpful. I haven't been to the gym in a little bit, you know, how summer goes, and like you kind of get out of your routine and everything, so this will be awesome. It looks like it just has, you can just pretty much keep track of everything on here. Very cool. Seriously, big shout out to Tom for sending all this along. It looks like we have some t-shirts in here. So cool. Get all the packaging off. All right, are you guys ready for all the good stuff? All right, so we have a Stevia blend, I believe you say, so it's a powder. And I'm gonna look into all this stuff kind of in more depth. But I know like all of this is just perfect for anyone that's doing keto or low carb. And then this for any kind of sweetener, so your stuff doesn't have to be boring and bland. So it looks like a fine powder. Natural sugar substitutes. Oh cool, so we have a couple of those bags here. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. This looks like another sweetener. Yeah, so it's Ketose Sweet Liquid. So it's a liquid sweetener. And I bet, once I give this a try, I'll let you know, but I bet this is pretty sweet, and a little goes a long way. Awesome, so we have that. So we have two sweeteners, a powder and a liquid. But wait, there's more. Let me see here. So this looks like another natural sweetener as well. Stevia sweets, so you could use this in coffees, it looks like, and things like that. So again, this is just unboxing, seeing everything that's in here. I believe this is everything they offer on the website. So as I give these a try with recipes and things like that, I will keep you all posted. Oh yes. All right, so I'm like, I feel like I eat chicken every day and just put salt and pepper and oil on it, or some spices, but all of this looks awesome. So this is actually a sauce. I don't know if you can actually see like the liquid in there. So we have a teriyaki sauce, 2 carbs, 2, that's it. Okay, teriyaki, steak sauce, It just gives me an idea to have steak. I'm always like chicken, fish, maybe burgers sometimes. Barbecue sauce. See this? 2 carbs. How hard is it to find barbecue sauce? It's 2 grams of carbs. And the ingredients are, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, they use monk fruit and stevia. They're all natural sweeteners. This is great, and it's not like a mile long of ingredients. It's things that you can read and that you're familiar with. All right, so we have that. Ketchup, another thing. My 1 carb. My husband's gonna be really excited about this. He's a huge ketchup lover on like everything, and ketchup has 4 grams of carbs per like teaspoon or tablespoon, I think. So this is awesome. 1 gram of carb per tablespoon. Sweet and tangy. So see, I bet my kids would love all this stuff too. I'm just ready to add some flavor back into my life again, right? Hot and sweet, made with MCT oil. Very cool. So this is a Thai cheese sauce. Did I say that right? No. Chili. Thai chili sauce. Awesome. And this only has maybe 5 to 7 ingredients back here. So again, that's really important to me too, that it's not a mile long. I don't know what's in it. He uses all natural sweeteners and ingredients and everything like that. So you know like what you're putting into your body and everything too. So this is so exciting. I'm so ready to just make some good stuff. It gets me excited about like cooking and everything again too, because like I said, it's just a lifestyle now. So when it's a lifestyle, things can kind of get like repetitive, and then you're making the same things and it gets kind of boring. So this is definitely gonna spice some things up and kind of like get my brain going again on just creating new recipes and all that. So I just wanted to share that with you with the unboxing and everything for me for the first time. And I will definitely make videos in the near future on how I like everything, kind of let you know what it tastes like, what it pairs good with. But yeah, and thank you so much again for Tom for sending all this. This is amazing, and yeah, I'm so excited. All right, I wanted to lay all of this out on the table just so you could see how much he really offers on his website. And it's just the best part about this is it's guilt-free, and I can't wait to try it and just share all this with you. Like I said, I've really heard nothing but good things about how they taste and just everything. So here's a little layout just so you can see everything again. I know I went through it all kind of quick, but I'm so excited to give all of this a try. Okay, I told you guys I had chicken in the oven and it's done. So I cut up some. I actually already gave Caleb some because apparently he was super, super hungry for lunch. And we tried the ketchup and he loved it. So he's actually really picky. So the fact that he loved this is awesome. It's very hard to get him on camera though. But actually, this is his plate. So we already opened this and it was so easy to open. This packaging is really cool. It's different than anything I've ever seen. But it's still kind of closed, so it doesn't like dump out if you hold it down. You actually have to apply some pressure when you squeeze it. But I'm gonna put some of my chicken. I'll show you guys. It's so easy, and then when you let go, it doesn't leak out anymore. So packaging is on point. So I am gonna eat this. I did try some of his. It was so good. And it's hard to explain the flavor. Like, it is sweet and tangy ketchup. And it tastes just like that. Like ketchup with maybe a hint of like barbecue tang. But it's really good. And I decided to open this one up first for the chicken because whole family loves ketchup, number one. Number two, it was the lowest in grams of carbs. There's 1 carb in this. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, maybe make like a little side salad, but so excited to add some flavor back into my life.